Hey there, Anna with Travel Tuna, and I am here today to show you the room 10274 on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Rick and I are headed over for a transatlantic. We're gonna stay in Spain for 20 days and then we're gonna bring that Mardi Gras right on back. We're gonna see what changes they make. Let's get going. Okay, so when you first get to your room, your card is going to be right here, and then you're going to go ahead and enter the room. Let's see what it looks like. All right, check out that view from Port Canaveral. I want to tell you a little bit about the Carnival Mardi Gras first. It was built in 2020. This time she's probably about 5 years old and she's going into a dry dock in Spain. We are going to be taking that transatlantic over, spending some time while it's in dry dock in Spain, and then we're going to bring it right on back, which is cool. So today what we did was, it was less expensive to rent a car when we got of the Royal Caribbean's largest cruise ship, the Icon. We got off the Icon in Miami. We rented a car and we drove to Port Canaveral, where we're getting on Carnival's biggest cruise ship, which is great. It does have a capacity of 6,500 passengers, where the Royal ship had 7,600, I think, is what it was, if I remember. But let's see the room. Let's get going. As you can see, we do have a balcony. Since we were going to be spending at least 14 days on here, we wanted a balcony cabin. This is a casino deal. Carnival's a little bit different. They don't always comp everything, and they don't have a specific program, so you can't track it. But hey, it was definitely discounted, so that's awesome. Let's check out the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Go ahead and shut that. We got a pretty large shower there. It does have a clothesline. It also has shampoo and shower gel that are separate, no conditioner. It has a really good shelf there, nice shelves to the side there. Sink, good size sink. There's some storage spaces down here and over there. Looks like it's gonna be pretty good, folks. There's some hooks there. There's another hook that's in the bathroom. Let's see if there's a nightlight. There is a nightlight, so that is awesome. We love nightlights. We're gonna look at our closets here. This is gonna be my closet. I've got my jacket there. They gave us a ton of water. There's 2 there, and there's water there for our status, which is good. I think we get free laundry too, so we're gonna have to take advantage of that. This is gonna be Rick's closet. What's nice is you do have these shelves that you can make it go down or up. Down or up. And this is a little bit of a shoe shelf here. Oh, I think it's supposed to come out. Oh well. Looks like there's something back there. The safe, we'll have to see what's behind that shoe shelf. Gold! There's gold in them there hills. Okay, this does pull out to be a bed. There's a couple beach towels for us. They do have a reading light over here too. This is the refrigerator, and they have stocked it with some water for us. Lots of water. Here are some drawers. We're gonna have to ask for a morning thing. That's the hair dryer. Stick that in the bathroom. And this seat actually has, there's another pillow in there. Little hidey hole area there. We do have our entertainment spotlight. This has the theater and the atrium area for entertainment. This is good to know. Information, health information, laundry services, dress code. This has our rules. There is a curfew for guests under 17. Talks about not being loud in the hallways, personal devices, narcotics, no smoking, and then their new celebration key, we're gonna be going there. They do have the phone. There's a couple shelves there, which is awesome. We will be asking for ice. Over here, there is enough room under the bed for your luggage. You've got some shelves there and a light and a USB, so that is wonderful. Light switches. There is the remote control for the TV. Look at that, they've got our names on there. Ciao for now, Anna and Richard. Wonderful. There is another light and a USB port there, and some good storage under the bed. We've got a little something down there. We did bleach everything because I'm still immunocompromised. I am getting my hair back though, so what do you think? I now have to wear glasses too because my eyes changed while I was on chemo. Crazy. Here is the door. You do have to make sure that this is closed or you will not have air conditioning. Gonna go out there. This is a little tight. Here are the chairs and a little table. There aren't any footstools though. That is a bummer. That's okay. And you can see down below us, we are on deck 10. Like I said, 10274. These are those cabana rooms down there. Wonderful. Gonna go back in for one last view of the room from this angle.